random. We are talking about random module. So let's start with the random module we will explain. So random module in Python we will discuss now. So let's start random module in Python. What is this random module purpose is? As we know that random is one of the predefined module and it is very easy, students. And that's why we took it this Saturday. And most of them are absent. 50% students absent. Online, I don't know. Still, we need to see for 10 more minutes how they will join it. Then we'll start the discussion. Strength is not important. Now, random is one of the predefined module present in Python software. And what is the use of this random module? What is the use of this random module? How it is useful to us? Suppose I want to generate in our financial transactions, some OTPs will come, right? These OTPs are not pre-designed, not predefined or expected. They are coming to you randomly. So to generate such OTPs, we need some module in Python. What is it? Module is called random module. So I want to generate some type of capture code. Some capture codes are coming. Capital A, small c, 9, 4. When you are downloading your Aadhaar card or something, you are getting some type of capture codes, some special symbols and all. These are all called what? Randomized modules, randomized data. And you will see in the class, after seeing the coding, once again I will read out this. So the point is, the purpose of random module is that to generate what now? Random values. To generate random values. How these random values are coming? I am going to show you one by one. To generate the random numbers or random values, we'll go for which module? Random module. So the essential functions of which module? Random module are, number one, I'm taking rand range. It is one function. Second function is called what? Rand int is one more function. These two are comes under what? Integer numbers to generate. For generating random integers, we use these two functions. Rand int and rand range. Next, I will take third one. Random, one more function is there. A random module and then function name is random of. It is also one function. This is for generating what? Floating point values. Fourth one I am talking what? Uniform. This is for what purpose? Floating point numbers purpose. Floating point values. And next, fifth one is available choice, which I will discuss in detail. And sixth is called what? Shuffle. Next I'm going to say next is called what? Sampling. These are the most important functions which we are going to discuss. So let's start without late the functions now. What the use of this range function is. I'll show you, students, this detailed explanation. I'll give you the documentation. I'll show you. But at this stage, first I will concentrate on coding. Then I'll go for showing the coding one by one. And I'll go for the documentation. I'll show later. So what are the syntax here? What are the syntax? Random dot. I'm writing here. Random dot. Module name is random dot. What is the function name? Rand range. Easy. So simple for you. For example, start comma what? Stop. Start comma stop. Even I can write even step also. This indicates there is no meaning of step at all. And you need to say start to stop any one of the value in the middle. Suppose I am writing a rand range of 10, 20. I am saying what will come? Any one of the random number will come. Any one of the random number will come between these two. And which random number will come, you can't decide it. But one thing is sure, 20 will not come. It will come the random numbers between start to stop minus 1. Start to stop minus 1 will come. Start to stop minus 1. That means 20 will not be generated. 20 will not be generated. It will come from where? Start to stop minus 1. That is begin to end minus 1 also you can take it. What is the default step value? What is the default step? You can say your own step value, default step 1 or 2 now, that is not a matter. Between the first number random, second number random, there is no step value to be maintained. See the example once so that you can understand. Go to the Python, see students, Python 3.10 and observe it. Random, import random as R, random as R dot rand range of 100 comma 200. What number will come? You don't know. Any one random number will come. Is there any step is there in that? There is no meaning in that. And see this now, there is no meaning of that steps. And there is no meaning. These are all called random numbers. But now I will take you a small range. I will take it to show you that 10 comma 14 I will take. Very very close slot I will take. What will come? 10 will come, 13 will come, 12 will come, but 14 will not come. See that 11 is coming, 12 is coming, 12 is coming, 13 is coming, 13 is coming. Now what is coming? You go on doing. 10 also came. But what is not coming? 11 came, 12 came, 13 came, and then 10 also came. But which one will not come? 14 will not come. That means it is coming from start to stop minus 1 random number only will come. Suppose if I take it, 10 comma 20 comma 2 I am saying, 10 comma 20 comma 2 I am saying, what will come? This is the meaning of step. There is no meaning of step, I already told you. Between two numbers, don't think that random number will come. Okay, 2 is coming. What happens immediately? There is no meaning of writing the step here. So step syntax is there, but there is no meaning of writing this kind of thing. Are you following me? So what the use of rand range function is doing? It is going to generate the random numbers between start to stop minus 1 by maintaining the step. There may be a step is there between that, but the step is not at all a matter during rand range example. If you want, I'll take one small example. Program, I'll write it. Program for generating random numbers, random integer values, random integer values between 100 and what? 100 and, or I will take some 10 and 20, some 10 and 20 by using which function? Rand range function. Rand range function. How do you take it? Now I am giving the file name. Rand range example1.py. Rand range example1.py. How do you take it now? Come on. This is one command line example. In command prompt, are you seeing or not? Programmatically also I will write it. And a lot of examples I'll write now. At the end of the class, you get a lot of confidence in this. Now I'm writing for I in a range of 1 comma 6. Meaning is what? For loop repeated how many times? For loop repeated 5 times. I want 5 random numbers. How do you print it? Print of R dot rand range 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. That indicates for loop repeated 6 times. This will print 6 random numbers in different iterations of for loop. That's the meaning of it. Let us execute. Go to the place d:6 p.m. random module. Now I am taking random module inside of that first program. Coming to the command prompt. Here I am going to take it d:, KVR, Python 6 p.m. Say now I am taking random model. So now see students, PY, PY. Now this is the one. Are you able to follow now? This is coming what? 19 came. And this is the data. Again you run it. It is coming, different numbers will come. Again you run it, different numbers will come. These are all called what? Randomized data. Are you following me? This is called a different type of randomized data. In one of the sampling part, I am going to take it. I am just writing here some sort of output. Are you getting my point? So this is comes under rand range function. Even you write step also, there is no meaning for step. Got it? Now, getting into this place, getting into the previous one, go to the next part is called another one is available. It is also meant for what? Random integers only. Random dot, what is this now? Rand int of start comma what? Stop. Start comma stop, I am going to take it. Start comma stop, I am going to take it. Random dot rand int of start comma stop. What it is going to give you? This is also similar to above. Step is not there, student. It will give you start to stop also will come. Both of them are inclusive. Stop value also will be inclusive. You can do the same thing with the rand range also. Anyone which you are convenient, you can go for it. Take the example. In the second one, both of them will inclusive. In the first one, stop will not inclusive. Only start can take place. And I will take the same example and observe it. Now I am going to take up. Here I am going to take. What is the function name now? Rand int of. Say it again. This is called rand int of. Rand int example. Example 1. Now I am taking rand int of 10, 20. I am taking this. Try to run this, student. Go to the place. Save it. Come out of that. Execute. PY. Rand int example. See that you got it. Next example also we got it. See that 20 came or not? 20 came. So this will give you this selection. I will take it. Anything you can take. Just only I am printing some output for you. So you are understanding that inclusive part is also coming. 20 is coming or not? Yes. Done. Are you understanding the difference between rand int and rand range? Now go to the next part of the function. What is the next part of the function? They are very simple. Syntax is, syntax I am going to take. What is the next one? Random of. Random dot, random of, it is going to give you the range of values between 0.0 to 1.0. This is meant for what? Randomized floating point values. This is for which data here? Which data here? Integers. This is going to give you what values here? Floating point values. Floating point values are coming. Which floating point values beginning? Random of, syntax. Random dot random of 0.0 to 1.0. Getting? 0.0 to 1.0 says between these two numbers are going to come. 0.0 will not come, 1.0 will not come. In the middle of that, values will come. Both of them are exclusive. Between 0.0 to 1.0 will come. There is a fractional parts will come. So random of function is used for generating randomized floating point values between 0.0 to 1.0. Suppose if you want to go for your own floating point values between your own limitation, that time I will go for what? Syntax is random dot, I say uniform. Both of them I will show you, students. Random dot what? Uniform of what? 10, 20. Between 10 and 20 floating point values will come. Between 10 and 20 floating point values. But 10 and 20 will not come. 10 point some big number will come. I will show you that between what? 10 and 20 random float values will come. Random float values will come. Here also what? Between 0 and 1.0 what values will come? Random float float values will come. Random float values will come. Are you following me? Right. Go to the place. Now I am going to take up example, students. Careful. Now I am going to say, I'll carry this. These are very simple. So here, go to the place, generating random floating point values. Random floating point values between what? 0.0 to 1.0. So I'm going to take random function, random example 1.py. So there I will see, tell me, for I in range of 1, 6, you can take any number of numbers. Print of, what is this now? I say, from random, import random, and don't think both of them are same. First random is module, second random is function. Random of. Are you following me? Random of. Now see, students, what is an answer is coming. Done. Execute it. See, students, execute it. Say here, py, see that answer. We are getting 6 numbers, and 0 to 6 means what? 5. We are getting some numbers like that. These are all included between what? 0.0 to 1.0. Now, suppose you don't want such a big number. Which number? Such a big number I don't want. I want only 3-digit number, only 2-digit number. You can write it. How you can write it? You can say what? You can say like this, or you want in another fashion of numbers, you will take, students. See, guys, I will write it. Here I am writing. Come on. You can do percentage 0.3 F. You know this now? Percent of. I can write percent of. You can do this way also. Execute, students. I got 3-digit number. One more way you can do, students. What is that? This is what you have written earlier. Now you do. There is a function name called what? A round function is there. Round. Random of, what is this? 2 digits only I want. 2 digits. Are you following me? 2-digit number. You see, this is a 3-digit. This is called one stretch. This is called one thing, like this. You do one more time, like this. It is changing or not? This is an output of that. So 3 different fashions I said in the same program. Are you following? This is already, 0.3F, and you are already aware of this type of thing. Okay. And now this is called what? Random function. By using which function this is? Random of. Next, I'm going to take it. In this case, uniform function I want to take up. Uniform function. Same mechanism. If you come to this place, I will take up random number, random floating point values between 10 and 20. It is your own choice. 10 and 20. Or why to take that? 10 to 12. Between 10 to 12. By using what function? Uniform. Uniform function. How do you do that now? Uniform. Here I will write it. Uniform. I will take it here, uniform of. Uniform of. You take it here, uniform. Here I am taking now uniform of. Uniform of. Try to see this now. Uniform example I am taking. Uniform example.py. Coming to this place. Execute. Py. See this now. What happens? Okay. Numbers you need to pass, right? 10, 12. 10, 12. You need to pass it. 10, 12. Here also what? 2 arguments are missing. 2 arguments you need to pass it. Execute it. Between 10 to 12 only they are coming. Between 10 to 12 only they are coming. Everything is. Are you following? This is about which function? Uniform of. So uniform will take what? Start, and next what? Stop. Are you getting? You can pass even the value called what you know? You can pass even 10.5, 10.5, one floating point value you can write. So 10.5, one float, one integer also you can say. Between 10.5 and 12 only will come. Between 10.5, see, observe it. 10.5, all values are between 10.5 only will come. So this is related to the output of this. So I hope you are understanding about this mechanism. So come to back, students. Here I am going to take up. Here I am writing like this. So coming to this area. Are you able to follow? Done. Coming to back. Now I am going to say, this is about which function? Uniform function. Now choice. And they are very simple. Up to here, integer random numbers. These are floating point random values. Choice function, I am going to take it. This is a quite important. Take care. Go to the place and here. Command prompt. S is equal to Python r dot choice of what? Yes. What do you mean by choice? Multiple choice means what? One from many. Choice is a function. Select one letter from yes. That you don't know what letter it will select. So it is going to give you what happens. Yes dot. 1 minute more. I hope Python command prompt I will take. This command prompt. Are you following? Actually, import. What is this now? Random as R. S is equal to what I told? Python. S dot what? S dot R dot. R dot choice of yes. Any one of the letter will come. Next, another letter. You can't predict it which value will come. It's called what? Random choice value. Getting? Now if I go to this place, students, go to the place, program for, now I am writing, program for demonstrating, multiple examples I'll tell you. Program for demonstrating random choice value from any, which object? Iterable object. From any iterable object. So I am writing here choice example1.py. Choice example1.py. Tell me now. Import random as R. What I will do? You take it. S is equal to, not only this, S is equal to HYDER ABAD. Now I want to print. How do you print? 5 letters I want to print it, for example. For I in range of 1 comma some 8. 1 comma 8 means what? 7 times it is repeated. Print of, come on, R dot choice of yes. Choice of yes. Now you just try to see that. What will be the value printed? So come out of that, you say py, you see students, what are the data coming? Closing bracket. You execute it, see that there are different type of values are coming, right? These values are differing from one iteration to another iteration. Don't think that I am not printing that values. I'm passing what? Choice of what? Yes. From Hyderabad, I am printing different letters. Are you getting? So I'm printing different letters. That values are coming here. If I say 6, 5 times it is coming. 5 possible combinations are coming. If I say that different possible combinations are coming. Getting? So any one of the possible combinations you can take it. Now I want to take up little slowly. We are coming to, this is an output of it. Now I want to say one more thing. Program for demonstrating another choice. Let us watch now. Of course, in this case, this is choice example 2. Here only I will take one more. This is one thing. Which object it is? Previously, string I am taking. Next, which value I am taking? LST. LST is equal to 10 row sum. I am taking some values here, 34.56, true, and then 2 plus some 6j, and next is false, and I am saying Python here. Now I am saying that from this I want to take the randomized values, choice values. Of what? 6. I will say of what I will write? LST. From list I am going to select any one of the item. How many times? 5 times. Because my for loop repeated how many times? 5 times. So I want to see that. What is the result out of that? I want to see that. Execute this previous example. I got it. This is related to the first. Now execute the next. This is related to the second. There is no relation between the first output and second output. Randomized elements are coming. Getting my point? Output I am taking. Output I am taking. Done like this. Getting my point? Yes, this is related to what? Choice. Next example, I want to go for it. What is the next example? I want to generate one small captcha code I want to generate. Important. Captcha code I want to generate. Captcha code will contain what? Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, special symbols. How do you take it? ALPHS, alphas. Which one I will take it? All alphas I will take it. Which one I am taking, you know, students? Upper alphas I will take it. So I'll write it. I will write it all the things. So I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are you following? 2 times I is there, not an issue. Similarly, I will take it as what? Lower alphas. Lower alphas is equal to lower alphas I am taking. Lower alphas I am taking. There I am taking E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is lower alphas. Next, I will take it as what? Digits. Digits is equal to what I am doing? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Special symbols. Special symbols. SPS is equal to some special symbols also I am taking. Some special symbols also I am taking. Right, is equal to. These are my special symbols. From there, I want to get the data. How do I get it? Come on, start. From there, I want to get the data. How do I get the data? For I in range of 1, 10. 1, 10 means what? 9 times it will come. What I want to print? Print of easy students. So import what here? Import random as R. Random as R. As R. Okay. Now print here R dot choice of I say upper alphas, that is number 1, comma. What is next? Lower alphas. How do you write that lower alphas? I will write once. 1 minute more. Upper alphas, and I will write what here? One value from lower alphas. One value from lower alphas. And one more I will write it here. One value from special symbol. One value from digit. One value from digit. And one more thing from where? Special symbol also one more thing. This is also one more SPS. I will write SPS. I will write SPS here. Now this is the one I set. And that is 4-letter captcha code is coming. Because I am writing choice from all the places. Okay. Now execute. Now I'm going to take it. Choice example 2. You try to run the students. Execute py. So got it. Invalid in syntax. So why invalid syntax? 2 commas. Anywhere else? So what is happening? Low AL PHS. Okay. Okay. So we see that we got the data like this. You see one more time, you got the data like this. You see this now from one moment to another moment, they are completely different. This is one type of what? Choice kind of function. Are you following me? Quite interesting. Getting this? Fine. Next, the same, this is a big story I wrote it. You can take all combined together. You can take all combined together. See, for example, you take all combined together. Instead of writing such a big story, you can write, so something like, CAP, I will write it. CAP, I will write it. What I am doing, I will write it here only. I will write this in the middle of it. I'll write in the middle of it. Anywhere else you write it. Special symbols you write in middle of it. Special symbols you write in the last or middle of it. And remove this entire thing. This is the combination of my symbols. I do what? You say. Here I am writing what? CAP I will write. Because of that, one letter only will be selected. Comma, what I do, student? Plus I can write it. Plus I can write it. Plus I can write it. Close. 1, 1, 1, 1 I am selecting. I am concatenating all of them. That is called one more example. 3.py. Once you know this way of writing, you can do good. Choice example 3. Choice example 3.py. Choice example 3.py. Execute it. Choice example 3. I got like this. All of them are close to each other. If you say comma, 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 they are going to be little different. Comma, if we write it, they are having some space between them. They are having space between them. Space between them. And whatever this is coming, it is different from everything. I hope you got it. Got it, students? Well, next I'll go for students in online. I hope it's very simple. Random dot, what is this now? Choice of which object? Iterable object. Iterable object it is. Well, now I will go for next shuffle. It's quite interesting. Shuffle. Random dot shuffle. What do you mean by shuffling? Shuffling means what? Everybody is watching the fingers only, but word is not coming. Internet is asking what is shuffling, like that. So reorganizing the elements of mutable objects is called shuffling. So I will write it here. Mutable, iterable object we can write it. Mutable, iterable object only we can write it. Immutable objects not possible to rearrange. Reorganizing the elements in the same object is called what? Shuffling. Reorganizing the elements of same object in the same address is called what? Shuffling. Let's see. So coming to the point back, here I will take up. You take starting from where? Integer not possible, float not possible, bool not possible, complex not possible. Why? One value only now. One value will you reshuffle? Huh? You have a deck of cards. How do you reshuffle? Reshuffling means reorganizing or not? Yes. How do you do it? S is equal to Python I am taking. Is it possible to reorganize? Is it possible to reorganize or not? First of all, string is mutable or immutable? Adi teliyali manaku first. Whether you are basic or not, I want to say. Mutable, immutable? Don't know. Don't know. Only we'll come to the class. We'll see whether black and white fans are working or not. Mutable, immutable? Immutable. Good. You see, I already told you. Suppose if I write J, it is giving you item assignment does not support. Item assignment does not support is the property of what? Immutable property. So now you see R dot shuffle of FFLE, shuffle of what? Yes, I am writing. It is an error. STR object does not support item assignment. You cannot go for what? Shuffling. Shuffling is not possible. Getting my point? Well, next I will take it. So next I will go for it. After set, next what is there? Bytes is there. Bytes also not possible to shuffle. Byte array possible to shuffle. Possible to shuffle means it is a mutable. Okay, bytes and byte array, you cannot see its content originally, and we never expect the shuffling from that area. I'll take next what? Range. Range mutable or immutable? Don't know, na? Option A mutable, option B immutable, option C don't know. Immutable. It is an immutable. Range object is immutable. So R is equal to range of, easy, you can catch it, 21. Range object is created. Range means what? Same order will maintain. Same interval will maintain. You cannot go for shuffling it. I am writing, of course, I made it one students because I made it that import, or otherwise I'll do one thing. Import random as R. I'll take it. R1 I will take it because if I'm taking same thing, R dot what? Shuffle of R1 I will pass it, which will give you what? Same error. Same error. Range object does not support because the range is also belongs to immutable. Okay, na? Well, now I am going to introduce range object is not possible to reshuffle it. Next, what is the point? What I am expecting next? Random is done. A string is not possible to reshuffle. Range is not possible to shuffle. Coming to tuple. List I will come to last. T is equal to what? 10 comma KVR, HYD and Python and OU, and I am writing 23.45 like this I wrote. You try to pass it to whom? Shuffle of what students? T. Same to same error. Tuple object does not support what? Okay. Next I will take it what? Set I will take it. Set. Set is mutable or immutable? Huh? Both. In which case it is immutable? Item assignment. This item assignment things are not possible to shuffle. Now, is set is possible to shuffle or not? Not possible. Obviously not possible. See students of what I am saying? Yes. See also error. Not possible. First of all, indexing is not possible. Immutable. Not possible to do that kind of thing. Okay, na? Frozen set also, set flavor only, not possible to do that. Because purely frozen set is immutable. Anything is immutable, it is not permitted. Next what? Dictionary. D1. 10 colon Python, 10 colon Python, 20 colon Java, 30 colon C, 40 colon what? You know, C++. C++. Now see now, print of what now? D comma, type of D, got it. Now I am going to say, shuffle of what? D. R dot shuffle of D. Tell me, dictionary is a mutable or immutable or both are? Huh? What is that? Immutable. Mutable. Both are? Right. Who is both? Both. Mutable and immutable. Okay, ma. Tell me how it is both. Good. Very good. Very nice. Keys are immutable. Values of values are mutable. I told this. Both overall dictionary is mutable, but keys are immutable. Values of values are mutable. Every good. Only one girl is remembering, really appreciating. I want the eating, sleeping, roaming, chatting. Like that. Reading, no. Error. What is that now? Not possible to exchange the values. It is called exchanging kind of thing. X of I comma j is equal to j comma I. Python course code is called 10. We cannot assign to Java and Python cannot assign to 20. It is not possible. So ultimately, what is not possible to reshuffle? No objects of Python is reshuffled except list. Now I am coming to list. Shall I come to list now? Come on. Now I'll come to list. I say L is equal to C students. Now I am taking list. List. Shuffle of what? L. It is shuffled in L only. See, one time I will print it. Print of L comma type of L, type of L, ID of L. Got it? Now see students, shuffle of L. Don't expect immediately result will print. It won't print. It is reorganizing the elements in L only. Print the L separately. Print the L separately. Now I got reshuffled values getting or not? At which address? Again you reshuffle it. Again you reshuffle students. Again you print it. Another reshuffling mechanism. OU same, but HYD different is coming or not? Again you reshuffle it. Again you print it. It is again different. So one reshuffling to another reshuffling is totally different. Are you getting up? Easy. So coming to the point back, reshuffling mechanism. Which values can be reshuffled? List data only we can reshuffle it. Program for reshuffling the data. So reshuffling the values. Reshuffling or reorganizing the elements. Reorganizing the elements. Reorganizing the elements. By using what? Reorganizing the elements of what? Mutable objects. Mutable objects. By using what? Shuffle function. By using shuffle function. Import what? Random as R. Tell me now. For what is my data? LST is equal to, I have to take compulsory this LST. LST is equal to, take some elements, 10 comma, some student, something I will take it HYD and some value called, 44.67. Some true I will take it. Some Rajesh I will take it. Now I am taking something Python I will take it. Comma 2 plus 3j I will take it. This is my list of values. For I in range of what? 1 comma 6 and print of what here, what is that? R dot shuffle of SHU, shuffle of what I will say? LST. Print LST. Print LST. Now I am writing here. Don't expect that it is written here. If you don't print this LST, print off that R dot shuffle of LST, what it will print? None will print. Because shuffle function will not return the value to anybody. Since it is not returning anything, it is called what? None. You just see shuffle example 1.py. Shuffle example 1.py. Take care, students. Execute py. You got none. Nothing will return. You go out of that. Don't call as a part of the print statement. You shuffle it. Later you print the data. Print of what? LST. Now you see. Done. Are you following this reshuffling mechanisms? So it is completely different from one set to another set. Is it same anywhere else? No. It is going to be like this. And this is one example. Now, one of the beautiful example, it's a system, is a question in the interview students. Try to follow me. One question I will take it. Very recent question, recently asked question. Reshuffling or reorganizing elements of what? String object. String object by using which function? Shuffle function. Example 2.py. What is my data? S is equal to HYDE or ABAD, Hyderabad. In how many ways I can organize Hyderabad letters? Start up. Is it possible to reshuffle? No. So if I write a yes here, definitely will get what? Error. Definitely will get error. See students, this is definitely error. So coming to the point back, definitely error student, 2.py. Definitely error. Then how do you take care? You know subjective. I want to listen from you. Ma? Split function when to use ma? Come on, correct. Convert into list. Boys, and no knowledge, girls are saying. When did you say? You are saying. Huh? So girls are saying I am listening, boys are not saying I am not listening. Huh? Okay. Anyhow, if you say that is good answer. If you are not saying, okay, I cannot suspect on my students. If you are saying it's perfect, convert into which type? List type. LST is equal to list of what? Yes. You print LST. This is my LST. Now I can shuffle it. Okay, now convert. Go to the place. Convert into which type? LST is equal to list of what? Yes. Now reshuffle of what? Yes. Yes, I LST. LST. Print what? LST. Now see, it is going to execute. See that Hyderabad is reshuffled like that. Following me? Now this is printed in the list format. I don't want to print in the list format. I want to print in string format only. What we will do? Come on. String data converted to list. List converted into string. How do you do it? Come on. Huh? Come on, correct. Print S dot str of what? L. What it will print? LST, which will print what? Same to same it will print. It will print same to same. It will print same to same. Boys, now tell me. Very nice. Join. Join. Long ago, there was a string part 2. So, coming to the point of it. S is equal to something, K is equal to what? Something like this. K is equal to what? K dot join of LST. Print what here? K. That's all. That's all. And it is printing how many times? I want to print Hyderabad times. Hyderabad times ante not letters same ostadi em radu. Length of, yes. Length of what? Yes. For loop. LN of S time, all combinations. This is subject ante. Hyderabad want to randomized into how many ways I can print it. How many combinations I can print it. One combination not having another combination. Of course, you are not reading, you are not seeing, I know that. You are seeing only output. Are you following me? So tomorrow somebody is giving your name. In how many ways your name can be arranged? You can go for this. Okay, students. So, beautiful example. This is the concept of what? Concept of what, ma? Shuffling. Is that difficult? Interesting, Anna? Mattam all completely forgetting and coming and sitting in the class. Sincere only, but forgetting and coming and sitting in the class. What is the use? Come to the point. So go to the place. Now it is over. Which concept is done? Shuffle is over. Now I'll go for what? Sampling. Random dot sample of what? Sample of. There I will take it. What do you mean by sample? Choice is doing what? Selecting one value at a time from the iterable object. Sample function is not selecting one value from this. It is taking, depends on the programmer specification. Same thing. Iterable object is going to select, comma, k is equal to number of samples. How many samples you want? If we go to a shop, you like 10 dresses out of 20. This is called what? 20. How many you like it? 10 samples I will bring it. So it is the next flavor of which function? Choice function. It is just one kind of which flavor? Choice function. Next flavor is called what? Sample of. Let us go once back to that. Go to the command prompt once. I say S is equal to what? Python. R dot sample of S comma 3. S comma 3. What is this now? S comma 3. What is the meaning of S? Iterable object. What is the 3? Select any 3 letters, which is coming in the form of what? LST. Sample function is collecting 3 samples, taking 3 samples. Sample function returns those 3 samples in where? List. Print LST. Got it? Directly also you can print it. Directly also. Print off. You see next 3 samples. You say only k is equal to 2. Keyword arguments. Only two letters. Are you following? Sorry. Are you following me? Two letters. You can say 4 letters. 4 letters. You can take 4 letters. Easier? Simple. I'll go to my place. Sample function, I will take it. So instead of this choice example is there now. Here this is a choice. Capture code generation. I'll go for what? Capture code directly. How do you take it now? You see, students. I'll go to this now. Program for generating capture code. So first I'll take a normal example only. Go to this place. Demonstrating random sampling values from any iterable object. S is equal to what? Python. I want 5 samples. For I in range of what? 5 range of samples. I say what? Print directly what? From random, import what? Sample. Sample of S comma, what I say? 3. S comma 3. K is equal to 3 also you can write it. K is nothing but what? Keyword argument. Are you following? Yes. So here I will write it. Sample example1.py. Done. Out of that, py. See, students. What is that? Another bracket. So I got like this. If you want to join them, K is equal to what? Some space is equal to some space, students. I say here, you do like this. Something like, LST is equal to, you say, see students, K is equal to K dot what? Join of LST. Print of K. So you are going to get it, this type of data. Getting a well. And go to the choice example 3 from this place. I can take it. Instead of writing such a lengthy coding, I can write it. Go to the place using what function I am taking? Sample. Demonstrating random sampling value. Demonstrating random sampling value from any iterable object. Random sampling values from any iterable object. What is this now? Sample example 1.py. This is called what you know? This is called 2.py. Import random as R. I say here simply, instead of writing such a big length code, I can write what come on. LST is equal to R dot sample of cap comma K is equal to 5. 5 letters, 5 sample code I want. Okay. You say, if you are interested in joining them, K is equal to K dot join of LST. Print of what? K. That's all. Sample example 2.py. So, cap. So this is the data we are getting it. Getting up? This is the way how you can take the outputs. Easy. Easy or difficult down? Easy or difficult down? Easy. Suppose I want to generate RTA number plating system. RTA number plating system. What is the RTA number plating system, students? I just want to take up here up to here. RTA number plating system, for example. That is also one recent written test question. Sampling example 3.py. 3.py. Demonstrating random sampling values. Tell me now what I am looking for. I am looking for state. State. State is equal to. I will take it TS and AP. This is the state related. Okay. What is the next code? District code. I will take it. Some RTA code will be there or not? District code enter RTA code is equal to 0909. Next is called what? 08, something like that. 07, something like whatever you are taking. 06, like that. I am taking. Like that 039, something like 39 or just 39 only I will write it. So like this you are taking. Next what I will take? Numbers, digits, NUMs is equal to, what is that now? What you will take it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the one I am taking. Now, you know how to get it now. Now I will take it what? Alphas I will take it, right or not? Alphas I will take it. What is the alphas I am having here? This I will take it. So how the number plate looks like? For example, here like this. TS 08, HF 8558. This is a number, for example. Or I will write TS 08, HL 3600. What it looks for? First one is what? Next is called what? RTA code. Some 2 letters and after that number. You keep that in the mind and then design. Ready to write it? Come on. For I in range of 1 comma some 10, some 9 numbers I want. I will take what? Select one number, select one choice from this place, right or not? One sample you select it. What is that? ST1 is equal to R dot sample of state comma 1. And a 1 you select, any one you select. Okay. Next I will do what? RC is what? R dot sample of RT code comma 1 only. Okay. Next I will take it what? After that 2 letters I want. 2 letters. Letters is equal to R dot sample of I will take it ALPHS comma what? 2. I got it. Okay. Next NO is equal to R dot sample of NUMs comma 4. Okay, they are ready. But all of them are what? They are list. They are lists. They are what? List. Now I have to prepare what? String. How do you prepare? I will write it. ST. Yes, I will add for everything. Yes, I will add is equal to some space. Now I am writing SST1 dot is equal to SST1 dot join of what? ST1. ST1 is called what? List. That list I am going to add it to like that. Similarly, I will fast the things. SRC is equal to SRC dot join of what? RC. Are you following, students? Next what? LETS is equal to some space. LETS is equal to SLETS dot join of LETS. Okay. SNO is equal to SNO dot what? Join of. Come on. NO. Next. Over. All these things I will combine together. Which one I will combine? SST, SRC, S letters, SNO. So now I am writing here, number plate is equal to SST1 plus SRC plus SLETS plus SNO. Print what here? Number plate. First of all, you understood, huh? No, sir. If you understand, it is okay. It's like that. Very important, students. Try to run it. Now see, students. Got it. Got it, huh? If you want any gap in that, for first TS, some gap you want. 09, TS 09, PN, some gap you want. You can happily take it. After that, SRC and then state you take it. Comma, no. Plus you need to say. So, say. Plus you say. You execute it now like this. Are you following? See, this is completely different from this value. This is completely different from this value. Are you okay? This is APUL, APAX 549. This is the way how you can happily deals with the numbers. You take, sometimes they will ask you the conclusion. You try to generate the PAN card numbers. PAN card numbers also what? Alphabets, etc. You take your passport numbers also. Election Commission of India, that some code is there. What is that code? Electoral ID. Electoral, that number, something is there, which is some letters and everything. What is that code? Epic number. General knowledge is more. Epic number. Correct. Epic number, that is. That epic number is also what? Random. Your epic number and your family member epic number is not same. How it is coming? Randomized. So in these places, now you go to beginning, read out now to generate what values? So how many random values? Random integers, random floats, random choices, random shuffling, random sampling. These are all called what? Randomized information. Easy or difficult now? Easy. How many functions are there? 7. What are those functions? Randint of, rand range of, random of, uniform of, choice of, shuffle of, sample of. That's all. Interesting now? So Saturday missing, what you are losing, you understand, I hope so. So online students, only 227, almost how many? 63 students absent. 73 students absent. Totally 299, like that it will be coming. Let it be students absent, becoming present, that is natural. You also absent, only one, only. I am only coming regularly to the class. Correct? Huh? So go to the place. Did I take any leave in when your batch started? Taken leave now, one day? No? Not taken? Okay. So Naveen, you are also coming. Very good students. So you are all very sincere students. So go to the place. Now here 6 p.m. random module is there. In this, we'll take it. So now I will take it. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to say. Okay, Ma. Vinay Kumar, you also did not absent. So in this month, one day I will take leave. In this month, one day I will take leave. One day I will take leave. What is that day? You are asking, right? So that is suspense. One day before only I will tell you. Huh? I will take one day leave, students, in this month only. Okay, look at it. Now come on, start random module. One of the predefined module present in random Python. We used to generate the random values in various contexts. What is that? Random integers, random floats, random shuffling, choices, and etc. You see, I given to you step by step, like a sweet notes is preparing now. Program used for generating random integer values between specified limits. Random of values. This is the one. Another syntax, random start, comma, stop. And this is step is also there or not? Step is there is no meaning at all. And you all understand. Command prompt example is there. And you are having this example. Any of program also I'm going to get it. I'm posting. Randint start, stop. Both of them inclusive. Command prompt example and a normal program, main program example. Random of floating point values between 0.0 to 1.0. Exclusive. Both of them are exclusive, students. So both of them are exclusive. Next is like this, random of. And that example using the program. So coming to the point of it, uniform of giving you between two floating point values. Both of them you can specify. It can be integer data or floating point data. You see. Whose corresponding program also. Choice is going to give you iterable object. Obtains random values from any iterable object. Next, command prompt examples are coming. Choice of this list, choice of string, choice of range. Between two different iterable objects, you are getting it. Next, and you are taking some sort of values with purely some digits and everything. some captcha code related. Shuffling, it is nothing but what? Reorganizing the elements of any mutable object, but not for what? Immutable object. Shuffle of list, done. Shuffle of dictionary, not possible. Cadbury, Kit Kat, Milky Bar, Dairy Milk, etc. not possible to. Printing the data. And shuffling is not possible, error. Set data, not possible. Tuple data, not possible. Only list data is possible to shuffle. Are you following? Next, shuffle example.py, done. Next is sampling. Function is used for selecting random samples from any iterable object based on number of sample positive values. Random dot a sample of iterable object comma k. K is a number of samples. And here we are taking, and we are taking like this, and we are joining, and a number of sampling examples also given, right or not? Sampling examples, multiple sampling example, sample 1, sample 2, and joining, sample 3 with number plating example, and like that you can take it. Epic number example, passport number example, you can take any sort of numbers, you can go for selecting like this. Understand? And if you go for ATMs and you go to SBI, 10,000 you want to withdraw, are you getting random PIN number or not? That also one of the important aspect. So when you are generating such type of numbers, when you are going to upload your form, for example, when you are going to update something, is OTPs will come or not to check whether you are a validate person or not. Like that it is going to. When you create a sign up as a new user in Gmail and all, are you getting one G verification code or not? Google verification code. That is called predicted or random or random. These are all the ways and means of what? Randomized algorithms. Okay, students? Easy now? So this is about which model? Random model. So these things, briefly I wrote the syntax. In detail, it is there in front of you. In detail, it is there in front of you. After going to home, you can try for what? Passport number generation, epic number generation. Like that, you can try for it by executing these examples. Okay now? So I'll stop my class. And today you also enjoy the weekend. I'll also take some rest. So 7:23 now. I'll pay some online students. If any doubts are there, you also enjoy the weekend by 20 minutes. Any friends are there, chit chat with them. But don't forget the Python. Monday, I will start the concept of what? Files I will start. What is the concept on Monday? Files. Files again, 5 days I will explain. From very beginning to CSV file level, we will go for it. CSV file, very, very important. In Power BI, they are very important. Okay, now? Fine. So, and Python is using once again in another new domain, Azure deployments. Azure deployments, Python scripting is writing. Again, a big demand for Azure deployments, Python professionals. Python coding is compulsory there. In DevOps, AWS, this Python is becoming day by day much demand. Only Python learning people are not eligible. Coding is required. But suppose a random module is there. They will ask you, they will give some system test for you. How to generate random roll numbers for 1,000 students. Random roll numbers for 1,000 students. How do you write it? For I in 1, 1001. Print of R dot rand int of 1 to 1,000. How many numbers you have to ask? How many numbers you want? From where to where? 100 to 2,000, 100, 1,000. So 100 to 1,000 random roll numbers will come. Right? Board of intermediate, you take it. How board of intermediate is assigning the hall ticket numbers? Randomization. For every student, one random number will be given. Like that, you can go for it. So, Sangeeta, when workshop is there, I will tell in the class only, mom. When workshop is there, I will tell 2 to 3 days before only. So this Sunday I'm not taking because I'm going somewhere. So next Sunday I will take workshop compulsory. In a month, 1 or twice I will take the workshop. So every Sunday taking workshop means I should be out of the home only. So I'll also have only one Sunday. Lot of works are there. So Next Sunday, there is a workshop. Are you attending workshop first? Sleeping or attending workshop? Okay. If you attend, you'll understand. Okay, anyhow, I'll stop it. And Monday we will go for files. Thank you. All the best.